Did I get my spooky chemise à la reine done? Nope. Did I get my fall swing done? Nope. Did I get my Thanksgiving dress done? Nope. So as you can see, I started my chemise à la reine, but the serger kept jamming and I couldn't get it put together in time, and I didn't trust my sewing machine to not eat up the fabric. I wanted to make a dupe of the Elphaba jersey to see Wicked. That didn't happen. I didn't get any of my fall sewing wardrobe done. And I also couldn't finish my Thanksgiving dress. Plus, we didn't really have family over this year, so there was no point in getting dressed up. And it is very frustrating when you want to create fashion media and you just can't create fashion media because you lack the time and motivation to do so. So leave a comment down below and tell me how you get motivated to finish projects. Because I start projects, but I just can never finish them. I do want to have a few projects I want to make for December. I want to make this Christmas tree cake purse. I have all the materials for that. I want to make some accessories for this to see White Christmas because it's the 70th anniversary and we are going to a screening on Sunday, the 15th. I have a red suit already. I just want to make some accessories to go with it. We'll see if that happens. And then last year I got some fabric shower curtains on sale that have a Christmas tree pattern on them. Well, not Christmas trees, but evergreen pattern with winter berries. And I want to create a Christmas dress. Will I get that done? I have no idea. We shall see. Right now I'm working on the White Christmas stuff since the 15th is coming up soon. I'll probably work on the cake purse next. And then we'll see about the Christmas dress. But if I actually get that done, we will see if that happens. Time will tell. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.